Madison Whiteside.
And my name is Robin Foley.
And today we're going to be going over engineering fundamentals and problem solving chapter 2.
Okay, so the topics we'll be going over in chapter 2.1, well, all of them, is 2.1, education for engineering, 2.2, the engineer as a professional, and 2.3 is the conclusion. So chapter 2.1, education for engineering. So the desirable characteristics, they're the most important characteristics for an engineer student to be. So the first is a strong interest in an ability to work with math and science, and an ability to think through a problem in a logical manner, and an act for organizing and carrying through to a conclusion, and an unusual curiosity about how things work and why things work, and last, a passion for helping solve modern day challenges. Course of study, they have it through, they use the AD, ET, and then CEAD to, which was the engineering profession, has developed standards and criteria for education of engineers entering the profession. So that would be the studies for chemistry and physics, communication skills, and math is the engineer's most powerful problem-solving tool, and introductory course in graphics, computer programming and design, and of course engineering sciences. Preparation for an engineering work environment. Engineering students must prepare themselves for the engineering workplace by gaining key knowledge and by developing core skills and abilities. So that would include the ability to apply math, science, and engineering, the ability to design and conduct experiments, the ability to function on a team, the ability to identify, formulate, and solve engineering problems, and an understanding of professional and ethical responsibilities, and the ability to communicate, and understanding the impact of engineering. Cooperative education and internship programs. This would be the opportunity to obtain meaningful industry work experience through some sort of experimental education. So that would include cooperative education, which is typically defined as alternating periods of full-time work experience of approximately equal length. And an internship is a single work period in supervised full-time employment of at least one semester. And a summer internship is the same thing except for it's 8 to 10 weeks. And then continuing education. The learning does not stop after you get your degree. So you need to get your professional license, and you go to seminars, short courses, and professional conferences. I'll turn it over to Madison.
So the engineer as a professional, chapter 2, 2.2. The first thing you have to be an engineer is professionalism. Professionalism is a way of life. A professional is someone who is eager to learn, and some characteristics include specialized knowledge, honesty, constant engagement, and support. So there are a few steps to becoming a professional engineer. One is acquiring an engineering degree from an accredited school. So you can't, if you want to be an engineer for like Lockheed Martin, you probably can't get one from Hill College. But you have to pass the fundamentals of engineering examination, and you then get this certification right here, engineer in training. And after that, you study under a certified engineer, and then you pass your principles and practice examination. So there is a preamble that you learn. Basically, it's just you will use engineering to help other people and just make society a better place. This basically says the same thing as the preamble. It's, I dedicate my professional knowledge and skills to the advancement and betterment of human welfare. And 2.3, conclusion. Engineering is a difficult field to study and expect to work hard to get your degree. It's very rewarding in the end, and it broadens your communication, mathematical, and science skills.